Hello everyone! Welcome to today's exciting lesson where we'll be exploring Microsoft PowerPoint. We will learn about MS PowerPoint, which is included in MS Office 2021. I am thrilled to be your guide through this journey of mastering this amazing software. Are you ready to learn all about it? Let us create a new presentation. For this, click on the icon Blank Presentation. It will open a new blank presentation with one slide already in it. The slide will show title layout with Click to add title written on it. The title layout is commonly used for the introductory slide of a presentation. The rectangular enclosing the title in a slide is made up of dotted line, and this rectangle is called a placeholder. A placeholder is used to hold any text, image, smart art, graphic icons, 3D models, etc. Before we go into building a presentation, let's explore MS PowerPoint window. Here is the PowerPoint window. It's like a canvas where we can create awesome presentations. At the very top of the window, there is a title bar. This is where we find the name of our presentation. By default, it shows Presentation 1 written on it. We can click on it to change the name of the presentation if we want to. On the right side of the title bar, we have the control buttons. The control buttons help to work with MS PowerPoint window. Minimize button minimizes the window, reducing it to an icon on the taskbar or dock. Maximize button maximizes the window, making it take up the entire screen. This allows the user to have a larger view of the content in the window. Close button closes the window and closes the application or process associated with it. This allows the user to end the application. Ribbon display button is used for changing ribbons display in a drop-down menu. This is the Sign In option. A Microsoft account is usually required to install and activate Office versions 2013 or later. Below the title bar, there is Ribbon. Ribbon has different tabs. Each tab has tools and options for different tasks. For example, the Home tab has tools for formatting text and slides. See, when we click on Home, we get all these buttons to make our text and slides look great. The dialog box launcher is a small arrow in the bottom right corner that gives more options on clicking. We can hide ribbon if we need more screen space. To do this, click the ribbon display option arrow in the upper right corner of the ribbon. Then select the desired option from the drop-down menu. The options are Auto Hide Ribbon, Show Tabs, Show Tabs and Commands. Right next to the title bar, we have the Quick Access Toolbar. It has some handy shortcuts like Save, Undo and Redo. These buttons help you work faster. It can be located in one of the two places: upper left corner above the ribbon, which is the default location, or upper left corner below the ribbon. To add our most used commands to the Quick Access Toolbar, click on the drop-down arrow next to the Quick Access Toolbar. The Customize Quick Access Toolbar option panel will appear. click on the desired command options to be placed on the Quick Access toolbar. Over on the left and top sides of the PowerPoint window, there are rulers. If you do not see any rulers, please go to the View tab and check the Ruler checkbox option. If you need to make sure your text or pictures are perfectly straight, the rulers are your friends. This is a slide. Slides are like the pages of your presentation. We can add as many as we want. Each slide can have different content like text, pictures, and even videos. Inside the slides, there are placeholders. Placeholders are like containers for the content. They show us where to put text, pictures, or anything else that we want. Just click inside the placeholders and add the stuff. A scroll bar is a vertical bar on the right side of a window or a horizontal bar at the bottom of a window that is used to move the window contents up and down or left and right. This is a slide pane. It contains all the slides in the presentation with the current slide selected. We can use the vertical scroll bar to view other slides in this presentation. Status bar is located at the bottom of the PowerPoint window. It shows messages and information such as the slide number, which is the active slide, spelling errors, etc. The status bar opens the notes if you click on Notes option. These notes can help us remember what to say when we are presenting. Clicking on the Comments icon opens the Comments pane, which allows users to add and manage comments within a presentation. Comments are annotations or notes that can be added to specific slides, shapes, text, or other elements in a PowerPoint presentation. Next to the comments is the View area. It contains buttons that allow the ability to switch between PowerPoint views. PowerPoint has 4 main views: Normal View, Slide Sorter View, Reading View, and Slideshow View. We will learn about all the views in detail in another video. On the right of Status bar, a zoom slider allows you to zoom out or in while working on a slide. On the extreme right corner of the status bar, there is an option called Fit Slide to Current Window. This option allows you to make the slide fit the current window. So that's the Microsoft PowerPoint window. You're well on your way to becoming PowerPoint pros. Don't forget to explore the other videos in this series for more in-depth knowledge and insights of PowerPoint. Thanks for joining me today. Now it's your turn to explore and create amazing presentations. Have fun and remember to practice and experiment. Goodbye for now and see you in the next lesson. For more such interesting videos, please subscribe to our channel Head Start Learning.